Question by 8 and 9 say complete this kind method. Previous question 7 question mark. Okay, 8 and 9 is homework. Next question number 10. Question number 10. Find the equation of the circle passing through the points 4, 1 and 6, 5. The circle is passes through 4, 1 and 6, 5. 6, 5. And the center is on the line. Center is on the line. 4x plus y equal to 60. You listen? Find the equation of circle. The circle is passes through is 2.4, 1 and 6, 5. And another one information, center is lying on this line 4x plus y equal to 60. Okay? Right. We know that the equation of circle, equation of that circle whose center is Satyamurthy and radius is R is x minus h to the whole square plus y minus 2 to the whole square equal to R. This is equation number 1. And given information, a recurrent circle is passes through the point 4, 1 and 6, 5. So the circle, given circle passes through 4, 1. So this point is lying on the circle. So substitute this equation number 1. X, y. X is 4 and y is 1. So 4 minus h to the whole square. 4 minus h to the whole square plus y value is 1. 1 minus h to the whole square equal to half square. This is equation number 2. Equation number 2. And another one point, the circle is passes through 6, 5. So 6, 5 is substitute equation number 1. X value is 6. So 6 minus h to the whole square plus 5 minus k to the whole square equal to half square. This is equation number 3. Equation number 3. From equation 1 and 2, right hand side is same value. They are half square and also same value half square. So equation 1 and 2 from equation number 2 and 3. Right hand side is also same than left hand side. So left hand side 4 minus h to the whole square plus 1 minus k to the whole square equal to 6 minus h to the whole square plus 5 minus k to the whole square. 5 minus k to the whole square. Simplify this value. 4 minus h to the whole square 16 plus h square minus 8h plus 1 plus k square minus 2k is equal to 36 plus h square minus 12h plus 25 plus k square minus 10k minus 10k. Right. H square cancel and k square cancel. Remaining 16 plus 1 17 minus 8h minus 2k is equal to 36 plus 25. 36 plus 25 is 61. 61 minus 12h minus 10k. Minus 12h minus 10k. Right, simplify this. Minus 12h and minus 8h. So minus 12h is 12h plus 12h minus 8 is 4h. Plus 12 minus 8 is 4. And minus 10 is 10 plus 10. Plus 10k minus 2k is plus 8k plus 8k and 61. Then minus 61. So minus 61 plus 17. Minus 61 plus 17. So 61 minus 17 is 4. 44. 44. So minus 44 equal to 0. So 4h plus 8k minus 44 equal to 0 divided by 4 on both sides. H plus 2k minus 11 equal to 0. So h plus 2k is equal to plus 11. Equation number 4. This equation is 4. Right. Next one. Another given information. Whose center of the circle? Center is lie on the line 4x plus y equal to 16. 4x plus y equal to 16. Here center is h comma k. Center is h comma k. So h comma k is substitute x and y value. So 4h plus k is equal to 16. So the center h comma k is lying on the line 4x plus y equal to 16. Then x and y value is h comma k. 4x plus k is equal to 16. This is equation number 5. Equation number 5. Solve equation number 4 and 5. Solve equation number 4 and equation number 5. Here equation number 4 is h plus 2k equal to 11. Multiply with 4 on both sides. 4h plus 8k. Equation number 1 is 4 into 4 which implies 4h plus 8k equal to 44. Equal to 44. And equation number 5 into 1 which implies 4h plus k is equal to 16. Equal to 16. So minus my 4h minus 4h is 0. 8k minus k is 7k equal to 44 minus 16 is 28. So k equal to 28 by 7 is 4. K value is 4. Right. Next, find unknown value h. So k equal to 4. Substitute in equation number 4 or 5. 4 or 5. Equation 4 is h plus 2k equal to 11. So h plus 2 into k answer 4 equal to 11. So h plus 8 equal to 11. H equal to 11 minus 8 3. Therefore, the center of the circle is 3 comma 4. H comma 4. So the center of the given circle is 3 comma 4. 3 comma 4. Okay. We have the equation of circle. Center value 3 comma 4. Center is 3 comma 4. Substitute in equation number 1, 2 or 3. Equation number 2. Then 4 minus h is 3. So 4 minus 3 the whole square. Plus 1 minus k. K value is 4. So 1 minus 4 the whole square equal to r square. Equal to r square. 4 minus 3 is 1. 1 square 1. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Minus 3 the whole square is plus 9 equal to r square. And r value is root 10. R value is root 10. Right. Here the center is 3 comma 4 and the radius r is root 10. Substitute in equation number 1. Equation number 1. So the equation number 1 is x minus h whole square plus y minus h whole square. So x minus h is 3. So x minus 3 whole square plus y minus k. K value is 4. Y minus 4 the whole square equal to r square. Root and whole square is 10. So simplify this value. X minus 3 whole square. X square plus 9 minus 6x. Y minus 4 whole square is y square plus 16 minus 8y minus 10 equal to 0. Minus 10 equal to 0. So x square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y here plus 9 plus 16 25 minus 10 is plus 50 equal to 0. Therefore, the required equation of this circle is x square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y plus 50. This equation is passes through 4 comma 1 and 6 comma 5. And also the center of this given circle is lying on this line 4x plus y equal to 16. Okay? Right. Next question number 12. Sorry, next question number 11. Find the equation of the circle passing through these points 2 2 comma 3 and minus 1 comma plus 1, and whose center is on the line x minus 3y minus 11 equal to 0. So as far as 10th question method, okay, so same 10th question method, previous question method. So 11th question is homework. Correct. Next question number 12. Find the equation of the circle. The radius 5. Radius is 5. Radius r equal to 5. Whose center lies on x-axis and passes through the point 2, 3. And other information, center lie on x-axis and given circle passes through 2, 3. This is given information. Find the equation of circle. Listen. Given information, the radius of the circle is 5 unit, and also center of the circle is lie on x-axis, and circle passes through 2, 3. Passes through 2, 3. Find the equation of circle. Right. We know this. The equation of circle, general equation of circle whose center is h, k and radius is r is x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equal to r square. This is equation number 1. And given information, radius is r equal to 5 and center lie on x-axis. Given center h, k is lie on x-axis. That is h, k is equal to h, 0. So any point on the x-axis, y value is 0. So this k value is 0. So the center point is h, 0. Let us consider center point is h, 0. So substitute this value h, k is equal to h, 0 and radius r equal to 5. Substitute in equation 1 and radius r equal to 5. Substitute in equation number 1, which implies x minus h the whole square plus y minus k value 0. So y minus 0 the whole square is y square equal to r value is 5. 5 square is 25. 5 square is 25. This is equation number 2. And third information, the circle is passes through 2, 3. Required circle is passes through 2, 3. There is x and y values 2, 3. This point 2, 3 is substituted in equation number 2. 2 implies x is 2. So 2 minus h the whole square plus y value is 3. So 3 square is equal to 25. So 2 minus h 4 plus h square minus 4h plus 9 equal to 25. So h square minus 4h plus 9 plus 4, 30 minus 25 is minus 12 equal to 0. So this is quadratic equation. So factorize this equation. So minus 12, product of two number is minus 12 and sum of two number is minus 4. So 2 6 are 12. The state, so 2 6 are 12. 2 into minus 6 is minus 12 and sum of these two values 2 and minus 6 is minus 4. So h is equal to minus 2 and h is equal to plus 6. The value of h is equal to minus 2 and h is equal to plus 6. If h is equal to 2, which implies k value. So k h value is h, k value is 0. So h equal to 2, then center is 2, 0. H equal to 2, the center of the circle is 2, 0. Then equation of circle. Equation of the circle. Yes. Equation number 2 implies here x minus h and z2 the whole square plus y square is equal to 25. Plus y square is equal to 25. Simplify this value. X minus 2 the whole square is x square plus 4 minus 4x plus y square minus 25 equal to 0. Minus 25 equal to 0. So x square plus y square minus 4x minus 25 plus 4 is minus 21 equal to 0. This is one equation of example. And second one case, this first case, and second one case 2. When h equal to 6, h equal to 6, then center of the circle is say 6 comma 0. And the equation of circle which implies equation number 2 is x minus h value is 6. So x minus 6 the whole square plus y square is equal to 25. So simplify this, x square plus 36 minus 12x plus y square minus 25 equal to 0. So x square plus y square minus 12x plus 36 minus 25 is minus plus 11 equal to 0. Therefore, the required equation of this circle is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 21 equal to 0, or x square plus y square minus 12x plus 11 equal to 0. Okay, very simple question. Sorry, here x equal to minus 2. So substitute minus 2 comma 0. So x plus 2 the whole square. Here plus 4x and plus 4x. Okay, a small change. X equal minus 2. So x equal minus 2 means x plus 2 whole square. So x square plus 4 plus 4x plus y square minus 1 equal to 0. So our required equation of circle is x square plus y square plus 4x minus 21 equal to 0, and x square plus y square minus 4x plus 11 equal to 0. Okay, right. Listen. Next question number 13. Find the equation of the circle passing through 0, 0. Passing through 0, 0. So first information, circle is passing through 0, 0. And making intercepts A and B on the coordinate axis. Intercepts A and B and coordinate axis. Okay, find the equation of circle. Right, and given information, the circle is passing through 0, 0, and the intercept on the coordinate axis A and B. So there is x intercept is A and y intercept is B. Okay, we know that the equation of general equation of circle is when a center is h comma k and radius r, x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equal to r square. Okay, right. And given circle is passes through 0, 0. So first one information, given circle is passes through origin 0, 0. So x comma y is 0, 0. Substitute this equation. So x is 0, 0 minus h the whole square plus 0 minus k the whole square equal to r square. That is h square plus k square equal to r square. So r square equal to h square plus k square when the circle is passes through 0, 0. So the equation of circle is x minus h the whole square. Equation of circle is x minus the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equal to r square, that is h square plus k square. H square plus k square. This is equation number 1. Equation number 1. And second information, an intercept and the coordinate axis is A and B. That is the circle, that is x intercept is A and y intercept is B. That is the circle is passes through x intercept is, so that is A comma 0 and y intercept B, so B 0 comma B. So rectangle circle is passes through A comma 0 and 0 comma B. So the circle passes through 0, A comma 0, that is x comma y is called A comma 0. First when x comma y is equal to A comma 0, Here equation number 1 is x minus h to the whole square. So x is a. So a minus h to the whole square plus y minus k also y is called 0. So 0 minus k also is k square is equal to h square plus k square is equal to h square plus k square. So simplify this value a square plus h square minus 2ah minus 2ah plus k square equal to h square plus k square. Both sides common from h square and k square is cancelled. Remaining a square minus 2ah equal to 0. So take a on both sides. So a minus 2h is equal to 0. Here a value is x-intercept. X-intercept is not equal to 0. Any non-zero value. So a is not equal to 0. So a is equal to 0 is impossible. So remaining a minus 2h is equal to 0, which implies a equal h equal to a by 2. H equal to a by 2. Right. Next, second one point 0 comma b. So x comma y is equal to 0 comma b. This point 0 comma b is lying in the circle. So x comma y equal to 0 comma b. Substitute in equation number 1. So equation number 1 is x minus h to the whole square. X is 0. So 0 minus h to the whole square is h square plus y is b. So b minus k to the whole square equal to h square plus k square. Explain this. X h square plus b minus k to the whole square is b square plus k square minus 2bk equal to h square plus k square. Both sides h square and k square is common, so cancel this value h square and k square. Remaining b square minus 2bk equal to 0. So take b on both. So b of b minus 2k equal to 0. But b is equal to 0 is not possible. Where y intercept is b. B is any non-zero value. So b is not equal to 0. b minus 2k equal to 0, which implies k equal to plus b by 2. Plus b by 2. So value h equal to a by 2 and k equal to b by 2. Therefore, equation of the circle is equation 1 implies substitute this value equation number 1. Equation number 1 implies x minus h the whole square. So here h value is a by 2. So x minus a by 2 the whole square plus y minus k the whole square. So k value is b by 2. So y minus b by 2 the whole square equal to h square plus k square. H square means a by 2 the whole square plus k square is b by 2 the whole square. So simplify this and you accept so x square plus a square by 4 minus 2 into a by 2 dx 2ax sorry minus ax 2 to cancel. So minus ax plus y square plus b square by 4 minus 2 into b by 2 into y by cancel. So by is equal to a by 2 whole square plus a by 2 whole square. A square by 4 plus b square by 4. A square by 4 plus b square by 4. So simplify this. Right, x square plus a square, x square plus y square, x square plus y square, and minus ax minus by, minus ax minus by, remain constants. A square by 4, here b square by 4, and right hand side a square by 4 and b square by 4. Cancel these two values. So remaining x square plus y square minus ax minus by equal to 0. Therefore, equation of the circle is x square plus y square minus ax minus by equal to 0. This is required answer. Okay, right. Next question number 14. Find the equation of a circle with the center 2, 2. Center is 2, 2 and passes through point. Passes through the point is 4, 5. Find this equation. Right. Center is 2, 2, H, K and passes through point is 4, 5. We need a radius of the circle. So here passes through point means this point 4, 5 is lying at the given circle. So 4, 5 is for x, y. So we know this x minus the equation of the circle is x minus y whole square plus y minus k the whole square is equal to r square. Here h, k is 2, 2. So x minus 2 the whole square plus y minus 2 the whole square equal to r square is equation number 1. And also circle is passes through a point 4, 5. So this point 4, 5 is lying in the given circle. So x value is 4 minus 2 the whole square plus 5 minus 2 the whole square equal to r square. So 4 minus 2 is 2 square 4, 5 minus 2 is 3 square 9 equal to r square. Then r is equal to root 13. R square is 13 and r equal to root 13. So radius of the given circle is square root of 13. And find the equation of circle. So equation number 1 implies x minus 2 the whole square, x minus 2 the whole square plus y minus 2 the whole square, y minus 2 the whole square equal to r square value is 13. R square value is 13. Simplify this value. X square plus 4 minus 2x plus y square plus 4 minus 4x y square plus 4 minus 4y equal to 13. Equal to 13. So x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y 4 plus 4 plus 8 minus 30 equal to 0. Minus 13 equal to 0. So again equation of the circle is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y 8 minus 30 is minus 5 equal to 0. This is the equation of the circle. The circle is passes to 4, 5 and circle is 2, 2. Okay, right. Next last one question. The 15th question. Given exercise 11.1. 15th question. Does the point minus 2.5 comma 3.5 lie inside, outside or on the circle? The equation is y square plus y square equal to 25. Listen, this point inside the point the circle or outside the point the circle or on the circle. Okay, fine. First one, given information, the equation of circle is x square plus y square equal to 25. This equation is comparing x minus x whole square plus y minus y whole square equal to r square. Then the radius value is here, r square is equal to 25. So implies r equal to 5. And center h, k is equal to here x minus h is 0 and k is 0. So 0, 0. So this equation center is 0, 0 and radius is 5. We know that the distance between the point minus 2.5 comma 3.52, distance between minus 2.5 comma 3.5 and the center 0, 0. Center 0, 0. The center is 0, 0 and radius is r5. Find distance between the point minus 2.5 comma 3.5 2 from center. Right. Distance d is equal to root of x2 minus x on the whole square. x2 minus x on the whole 0 minus of minus plus 2.5 the whole square plus 0 minus 3.5 the whole square is 3.5 whole square is equal to 2.5 whole square 625. So 2.5 whole square is 6.25 plus 3.5 whole square 35 into 25. Right, 12.25. 3.5 into 3.5 is 12.25. So 6.25 plus 12.25 is 6.25 plus 12.25 is 18.5. 18.5. So distance is square root of 18.5. Distance is square root of 18.5. This approximate is equal to square root of 18.5 is approximately equal to 4.3. 4.3 unit. Here, distance between the point minus 2.5 comma 3.5 from the center is 4.3. The distance 4.3 is less than the radius of the circle. Radius of the circle, that is 5, r equal to 5. So the radius is equal to radius is greater than, and the distance between the point from the circle is less than. So this point, therefore the point minus 2.5 comma 3.5 is like inside the circle. Inside the given circle. When the distance between this point from the circle is less than the radius of circle, so given point minus 2.5 comma 3.5 is inside the circle. Suppose the distance value is greater than the radius value, then the point is out of the line, out of the circle. Suppose equal to radius value, a given point is lying on the circle. But this question, 15th question, the point minus 2.5 comma 3.5 is less than radius of the circle. So this point is inside the circle. Okay, right. Next. Okay, the exercise number 11.1 is completed. Listen, page number 240, example 1, 2, 3, 4. It's very simple question. So example 1, 2, 3, 4 is homework. So next class is a parabola. Okay, is the next class parabola, ellipse and hyperbola. Right, bye.